Good afternoon. Today we'll see about how the project has been done with the design thinking approach. So I'll tell the problem statement that we are going to leverage regarding the investors of property with the agentic AI. So our students are very good. They're performing with the problem solution. Let's see again.
This is our team. His name is. This is our team. My project team. His name is Guru. His name is Jiva. And Shakti. His name is Gopi. Yeah, we are going to solve the problem of real estate data analytics and SNT. And that is our.
We are going to define agentic AI project based on real estate investing tools for market analysis. First, in the platform of N8AI. First, we are initializing the trigger which we want to manually predict the output. After Google Sheet, we use the Google Sheet for 100 samples of real estate. Indian real estate contains job growth, job growth. Explain.
Contains a lot of data like property type, square feet, bathrooms, bedrooms, and the crime rate, and the appreciation value after 5 years. So we had a lot of data which cannot process at the same time, as it has some time delay. So we use some code to cut off some unnecessary details. So we used first 10 rows as executing to the Google Gemini AI. So I pass on to Guru Priya.
We are using generative AI as Google Gemini, and for AI agent is used for decision making and implementing the decisions what data and the expenses have been done. All the data have been sending through the data. In the agent AI working for Google Gemini client model. We are used to working the client model as a data transferring and data working in the model of AI client. After the working of the AI client, we have initialized the mail to receive the customers or to receive the owners. Mail plays a main role in the model because of we are intimating that the prediction has been done at length. Thank you.
Okay, you just show me the test flow how this has been done. Get the mail. Show me the mail. With the test flow, as soon as runs, you get the automatic mail.
Automatic, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, we have to prevent money fraud detection to all the people. Now, we have to create one webhook for post the messages to the users, and we have to write the code here, and whatever it may be. In any languages like JavaScript, Python, and anyone, we have write in a code on JS, and we have to receive a response from the code, and we have to write a code on if statement. It may be greater than greater than one. It be message will be true, and get a message and get a mail or message or call from the detection area. It will be less than or zero. It will not get. It will be only false. Not get any messages or calls. And from if statement, we have a message allotment as call, and then mail, and then WhatsApp SMS. And we have one prototype for this. mail will be processing. Now we want to here message incoming call. This is the process of my project. This is the overall project of my overall project on N8N tool, using an N8N tool. So this is useful for all the peoples to identify the frauds whenever it happens. Thank you.